Hello guys, I want to show you for my village. So now I'm right my home. I want to show you around my home. This is for my home that they usually to make this house traditional house in my village. So okay, let's go.
Let's turn this around and show. So this is Sophia's family and neighbors all down here. Sastai. Do you call this room down here something in particular? Is this called chmo anything?
Krámផ្ទះ We call ក្រោមផ្ទះ
Okay, so it's basically under the house?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So let's go on up.
Let's go. No take off?
Do I take my shoes off?
No, it's
No,
okay. Yeah.
Spectrum. Okay, so this is a traditional Khmer house. Now, there's one main room. This is Bantob King.
Don't have bantop king, don't have room. We some people and some family they buy for mattress.
Buy for
Mattress for
mattress, yes.
Yeah,
yes,
mattress
yes,
for
correct.
keep here or keep somewhere to sleep. When they wake up, they prefer keep for like this.
Okay, they move the beds over so
Yes.
you have room to do your stuff during the day. Okay.
Yes, but some family they make for one room or two room. It's not make a lot of room because they don't have space for sitting. For we have like wedding, don't have space for separate like that.
Okay. Now, how many people share this Bantob King at night? How many people sleep here?
For in my family, six
So six?
or five in.
5 or 6. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So Bantob King at night. During the daytime, Prag. It's a family room. The family
All together, they
they come here and they do activities during the daytime.
during the day.
Or do they go downstairs?
Downstairs.
Okay, so downstairs is where
Yes.
most people go during the daytime.
Yes.
Plium, when it rains?
When rain, they just lay down in downstairs on bed, and some people or some my member come up and sleep.
Okay.
But usually they go upstairs.
Okay. So now I see a room back here. Is that Bantob Tuck in-house?
No, bentuk
Is outside. Okay, so it's
outside.
outside. Okay.
Yes.
So avoid Bantob.
This is bentuk my brother younger.
Oh, so he gets his own room.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. He's got a fan and everything. So this is your younger brother, because he's a little older, so he gets his own room.
Yeah. This is about my room, but I
it used
give
to be your
I give to him.
Okay, so because you're the oldest, you had your own room. When you moved out, went to Phnom Penh, your brother moved in here.
Yes.
Okay, makes sense. Okay, let's see Pate Bai.
They buy under.
Yeah, and Bantob Tak in the back.
Yes.
Okay. So most of the activity during the day is downstairs.
Come here.
So Pate Bai.
Um, this is for cook.
Okay.
How to call for this one?
Try maho?
Yeah, from hope. How we call?
Cook? Yeah.
Yeah, cook.
Or prepare food,
Yes.
cook food. Yeah.
Yes. Ingredient.
Okay. And kitchens traditionally
Yes.
in Cambodia are outside the house
Yeah.
because you use fire
Yes.
and you don't want the fire in the house.
Yes. Or some family they make yard. They make yard for chicken for kitchen.
Yes. Okay.
But some people they make like this.
Now, this is another area here. Is this for
No,
storage?
no, don't show, don't show.
Oh, it's a
I think
messy-
it's a machine for
okay.
stop.
I won't show. So this is for store. I won't show it, but it's for storage. Oh, that's not bad.
Okay, you can
This is not
show.
bad. Yeah, it's not bad. So this is for storage, or do
Oh.
people stay here too?
No, it's not for stay. For keep some stock, some
So these are supplies.
rice, some clothes that we not
Yeah.
use.
Everyone has a storage room. Even in America, we have storage rooms, like very similar, where we store all the stuff we don't use.
Yeah.
But those big bags of rice
Yes, yes.
and sugar,
Yeah.
all the stuff you need for it lasts you for months.
Yes. So this
Have a
is
card?
no, it's not my card. My father bring to fit
Yeah.
at the province.
Okay, hold on.
This is
Oh, wait, guys, how about that? So even in Cambodia, they have project cars that they don't work on. They're just sitting here. How long has this been sitting here?
sitting here.
How long ago did you buy it?
1 year.
So it's been sitting for a year. Has he fixed it yet?
Not yet.
It's just like America. How about that, woman? Guys buy cars and leave them in the yard here in Cambodia as well.
Okay.
I'll explain that later.
Yeah.
It's men in America do the same thing.
Oh, really?
They buy cars, say, I'm gonna fix, and they don't fix.
This is for a bathroom,
Okay,
toilet.
talk. Yeah.
We use together, not in the person. So have people here.
Yeah.
You see flip flop.
Oh, there's somebody in there right
Yes.
now. Yes, okay. And there's the chakai.
Chakai.
And that's the backyard. So now this is where the water is stored for washing and cleaning.
When we take a shower,
Yes.
we don't have a room. We don't have something to call. We
Yep.
need to wear the scarf wear the scarves and take a shower like that.
Okay,
We
so-
take together.
You don't have anything for privacy,
Yeah, no.
so you have to cover up while you shower. Otherwise, people would see you
Yes,
naked.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Yep. Now I see three. One moi bi bite. What are they different, or are they just same thing? Water. Tuck.
Same.
Same. Okay, so it's just water storage. Now, where do they get water from? Rain?
No. Over there.
Oh, is it a well?
Yeah.
Oh, let's see the well. Now, that's your Kang neighbor's well or yours?
In
owns?
my family.
Your family.
For my family. You know, in this house and this house, for my family rent for us.
Oh, so your parents are landlords also.
Yes, because
Okay.
this land from over there and over there for my own family.
So Jewel.
Jewel, yes,
Okay.
jewel for us. Here, we get the water from here.
Oh, okay. So it's a well. We call it in America a well.
Okay, wait. Oh, cannot working. Cannot working. We use for
If the Akisani
yeah,
Accra.
electric. Here, you see cord. When we plug in, the water working.
Yeah.
When we plug out,
Yeah.
unplug.
Yeah.
Unplug.
So yeah, and that's we call that a hand pump, dai, and that's if the electricity Accra use a hand. If the electricity doesn't work,
Yeah.
at Purga,
Yeah.
then you use a hand pump.
But sometimes it's not the electric is good every time.
Okay. And then these coconut trees?
Yeah, this coconut tree.
Oh wow! Look at there those coconuts. Now these are young coconuts for buy nyam tat.
Yeah,
Yeah. Nyam bai also. Do they have meat in them? Nyam bai coconut.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
So when they get older, coconut ja.
When the coconuts wrap,
Right.
they make for like for food,
Yeah.
for make for how to say.
No, you said it. Food. Yeah. But kameng, that's tuck.
Yeah,
Okay.
when coconut young,
Young. Yeah.
we eat for water.
Yeah.
Water,
Okay.
so sweet.
So that's your father and your mother, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And then how far back does the land go? Your rice fields are back here.
Yeah,
Right?
you can come. From in front of my house until behind my house, maybe 500 meter.
Oh wow.
500 meter.
500 meters.
Yeah, this is for the my parents.
Garden.
Uh,
Bon lai.
Bon lai,
Okay, so that's your
Trocun.
vegetable garden.
Yes.
Okay.
You want to walk. It's very far.
Oh, okay. So just we can walk a little.
See? Very far. Yeah.